Hi and hello everyone. I trust that you are well. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wanjiro Maina. If you're new here for the first time, welcome. And for those of you who are coming back, my returning subscribers, much appreciated. So today, as you can see in the sufuria, we are cooking warus and minjis. So this is Irish potatoes and green peas. There I am with my brother tasting the yummy and delicious food. So if you want to learn how we go about this, watch the video. So let's do this. So with the cooking, we are going to start by getting our supplies ready. You need the green peas, of course, the onions, the potatoes, the capsicum. If you can get also corianders, it will work. Then we go directly to removing the green peas from the pods. Very fresh green peas. So I decided to start washing clothes as my brother was working on the green peas, because then it made things easy. Talk of gender representation and gender equality. Yeah, so most of us wash clothes using our hands here in Africa, because buying a washing machine is quite pricey and not everyone can afford one, including me. So drying the clothes, mainly for me, when I'm doing laundry, it takes about, maybe if I haven't washed the clothes within a week, it will take me about 3 hours. I'm interested to learn how you guys wash your clothes, and let's go directly to lighting the jiko. This is what we use in most households. If you're not using the firewood, we use charcoal. We call this a jiko. In your native language, how do you call this equipment? Yeah, because this is what will help us get the food ready. My brother is an expert in lighting the jiko. The next thing we do is to clean the green peas. Please wash your green peas twice or thrice. Then of course, put the green peas with some water for it to boil. Add salt for seasoning. When you're boiling the green peas, ensure you boil them for like 10 minutes just to pre-cook them, because I've had people who have cooked this dish, but then you find that when you go to the final preparation, the green peas won't mash with the potatoes. So my brother helped with the peeling of the potatoes. I cleaned the potatoes, and after that I rinsed off the water that had boiled the green peas because they were almost ready. And after that I just put them in the sufuria together with the potatoes. So this will help boil them together, so that now we can get ready. Add some water, of course. What quantity of water is that you need to put water half that is going to cover the food. Then once the potatoes are ready, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook this meal. So once the potatoes are ready, you just start to mash. We use a wooden stick. The wooden stick is called a mukimo. So what do you call this stick from where you come from? It'll be interesting to hear from you guys. Just leave a comment down there. So now what we do, we mash the mashed potatoes. We mash the potatoes, of course, with the green peas until they are all mashed up well and nice, soft, even like a 1-year-old baby can eat these. Then the next thing I did was to fry some onion, because I wanted to have some vegetable salad to accompany the mashed potatoes or the mukimo. So that is me putting all the other vegetables that I had, the tomatoes, the coriander, the capsicum. I didn't get corianders. And then adding the carrots just to make it colorful. I like my food colorful because then I feel it has certain flavors, natural flavors. Then I added the cabbage inside there and cooked until it was ready, and there it was, looking yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, so the next thing that you do is to get your onion ready now to fry the mukimo or the mashed potatoes with the green peas. Okay, fry your onion. I wanted to say boil. Fry your onion until it's golden brown. Then just add your warus inside. Yeah, so we call potatoes warus because I'm a Kikuyu. I'd be interested to know, what do you call Irish potatoes from where you come from, especially for you guys who come from countries outside Africa and also other native countries in Africa. Leave a comment about what you call this meal. And here we are. Our food is ready. Serving the food, getting ready to share the meal as a family. Of course, somebody will say these portions are small, but anyway, we still had more in the sufuria. That was my portion, me sampling the food, trying to verify if the quality was as good as it looked. What do you think? We are done cooking. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you next. Bye bye.